I'm at Grafton Station, and I am back with another station review. So it is currently pretty cold right now. My hands are very cold. It was like super hot last week, and then it suddenly just got cold again. I did today's Friday the 24th, and 3 days ago, as I'm recording this on the 21st, I did a speed run of the MBTA subway, and then it was when I did it then it was cold in the morning, but it warmed up later in the day. But my hands weren't cold like this. So this is the outbound platform, which extends further than the inbound platform. And we are at the Worcester line here at Grafton, and I'm on a mission to complete all 133 or so MBTA commuter rail stations. I don't remember the exact number, but it's like between 133 and 143. So we're here, right next to Worcester, which hopefully I will be able to do a station review of soon. Hopefully I can do a station review of every single station on the Western line, but realistically I'm more likely to complete the Needham line sooner, because I did a lot of progress on that recently, and also I have less work to do, but I don't know when I'm going to be able to do like big stations like Back Bay, South Station, North Station. We have a sign here. Okay, so this is kind of convenient. You have a long ramp. I wish it had guardrails on it, but it's fine. Like, you have a big parking lot, a nice parking lot actually. So this platform is very long. I mean, it's not super long, but it's longer than like Ashland, Southborough, and Westborough. So you have a sign for the track one. Now it doesn't really need to go to the ground. This doesn't need to go to the ground level, because if you're handicapped, then why would you not use the elevated platform? And like the guardrail, it just kind of ends. Well, at least you have a bench there, but still, it just ends, and I don't like that. Okay, you got a bunch of rocks and dirt near the bench. And notice over here how it says, I don't know if you can fully read that, but it says not an exit. Trash cans, and for some reason this platform just extends a little. It extends longer than it needs to, especially given since it's the outbound platform. Not a lot of There's still some people who will be boarding trains to Worcester, but like, still, it's not gonna. It'll never be as busy as the inbound platform. And since this is second to last stop, I'll be exploring the inbound platform. So over those stairs, where that sign is the same one that I've shown, has stairs, plenty of exits. This is a good overall station. I actually kind of like how there's a ramp that leads all the way to the inbound platform. It's a good thing to have. But this isn't the best station in the world, since it's not a fully high level platform for accessibility, but like, that's what it needs to be, a 10 out of 10. And spoil it, this is not a 10 out of 10. Still, let me know if I should keep doing this series until I get a 10 out of 10, or until I complete all the stations. Because I'd really like to know what some of you guys think. Alright, we got some signs over there near the parking lot, and right underneath Pine Street. Okay, yeah, but this area is not isn't ramp accessible, but it doesn't need to be, because if you're gonna exit in the front. It is kind of inconvenient that way, since if you're parking like near here, closer to the station, then it's kind of not really the best. But Okay, this is kind of stupid. I don't want to go over there, but like I'm just gonna show you guys. Okay, we have a. Okay, the train doesn't even extend this far. I feel like this station is just a tad bit overbuilt. Like it's always nice to have extra features like this, but like okay, this is longer than Ashland, Southborough, and Westborough. Like the platform would end by like where those stairs start. Like this is kind of just like unnecessary and a waste of money. Okay, over there you see a sign where it says Grafton. Okay, that is definitely the most useless part of the station. It is kind of nice. I feel like it's just an excuse to be built underneath the street, and that's kind of fine, but still, for the purposes of usability, it's definitely it's in a kind of good location. Like I'm not too dissatisfied with where they put it. Train approaching, stand back. I have a trash can, and there's definitely not enough trash cans. Like maybe just a few more, but it doesn't need that much. Now for real. Let's explore the other side. Okay, this looks really old. And look at all that rust too. I mean, if this station were fully ground level, it'd be a lot worse. But the whole ramp thing kind of saves it. And in the future, I will do a tier list comparing all the stations. I thought I heard a train coming, but nope. Not for another like 20 minutes, so I'm good. I'll be making a tier list where I'll be watching all these videos and seeing how my opinions have changed on them. Fine street trick. Okay, so a freight train just went by and a bunch of like all that stuff that got kind of in my face. Like I'm fine. Like I mean, if that happens like more than once, not more than once, but just like several times, then that would be kind of unsafe. But like since it only happened one time, then especially if it's not going to be twice in the same day, then that should be fine. So here we are. Oh yeah, I'm trying to get a glimpse of where it says Grafton sign. I can't really. In this walkway leads directly to the inbound platform. There's sign. Man, that freight train coming by, I was genuinely not expecting it to just. I was not expecting it to just blow a bunch of air in my face, wherever that was. That was scary. Alright, we have another sign. Okay, you have a seating area. I mean, well, it's welcome, but it's not super necessary. Like I said, the station is overbuilt, but it's not that overbuilt. Like it does like these additions don't really make the station worse. So we're coming down to the inbound platform. My hands are so cold. It's pretty much the same as the outbound platform, but you're waiting for trains in another direction. You have another bench here, and you have a little bit of an extra walkway. Okay, so this is actually not very overbuilt. This part is actually a good addition. You can see, and there's no stairs leading to it. It's just a ramp, okay, but that one has stairs. Okay, so this is kind of questionable. Why do they put a ramp here if this part of the platform isn't even accessible? it just kind of doesn't make any sense, but like it's not really I'm not saying that it's a bad thing. I'm just saying like what's the point of it? Okay, so in pretty much the same. Okay, I thought I heard a train. Since we're so close to the road over there and we hear trucks, their engine is kind of similar to a train just because they're both using diesel. So like it kind of gives the illusion of there being a train coming by when it's really just a truck passing on the road. We have these pillar things. They're not pillar, why did I say that? But support structures for the ramp leading to the platform. Okay, there's just a bunch of stuff laying around. Okay, that should pretty much wrap it up for today's video. This is one of the longer station reviews I'll be doing just because Grafton has so much more to it. It's kind of a bigger station compared to some of the others that I've done. And on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving Grafton an 8 because some of the infrastructure is old. Like, it's not the most accessible in the world, but like, there's ramps that pretty much only lead to the high level platform, and that's fine. But also, like, this station is also just kind of overbuilt, and like, especially like down there, like, it doesn't really need to be there because the train like stops before it reaches there or after if you're going outbound. So anyways, thanks for watching today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.